Yo, what's up everybody? It's Your Name, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of football, but not just any football. We're talking about the machine, the powerhouse, the talent factory that is Manchester City Football Club. And trust me, this isn't just about what happens on the pitch on game day. This is about the years of dedication, the sweat, the grind, the unwavering commitment to nurturing talent from the ground up. We're talking state-of-the-art facilities, comprehensive programs, and a legacy of developing some of the best footballers the world has ever seen. So buckle up, smash that like button, because we're about to take you on a journey inside the 5 key places where Manchester City cultivates its winning formula. Alright, first up, we're starting at the heartbeat of it all, the City Football Academy. This place is more than just a training ground. It's an 80-acre purpose-built complex, a testament to Manchester City's investment in the future of football. It's a place where the dreams of young athletes are nurtured and brought to life. Imagine walking through these doors as a young player. The energy, the ambition, it's palpable. Every step you take is a step towards greatness, surrounded by the echoes of past legends and future stars. From the moment you step foot on these grounds, you're surrounded by a culture of excellence. The walls are adorned with motivational posters, each one a reminder of the hard work and dedication required to succeed. We're talking 16.5 football pitches, indoor pitches, you name it, they got it. Every inch of this place is designed to foster talent and provide the best possible environment for growth. This place is designed to challenge and nurture talent in every aspect of the game. From rigorous training sessions to innovative drills, every activity is aimed at honing the skills of these young athletes. And it's not just about the physical, it's about the mental game too. Strategy meetings and meditation sessions are integral parts of the training, ensuring that players are mentally prepared for the challenges ahead. Sports science, nutrition, education, they've got it all covered. The Academy boasts state-of-the-art facilities, including a sports science lab and dedicated nutrition consultations to optimize player performance. They're not just creating footballers here, they're shaping well-rounded individuals, ready to take on the world, on and off the pitch. Education is a key component, with classrooms and study sessions ensuring that players excel academically as well. The facilities are top-notch, no doubt, but it's the people, the coaches, the mentors, who breathe life into this place. Their experience and dedication are what truly make the Academy special. They're the ones guiding these young athletes, pushing them to be their best, instilling in them the values that define Manchester City. It's about more than just skills. It's about character, resilience, and teamwork. It's about hard work, dedication, and a relentless pursuit of excellence, and that's evident in every corner of this incredible facility. The intensity of the training sessions reflects the high standards set by the Academy. The City Football Academy is a breeding ground for success, a place where dreams are made, and we're just getting started. The camaraderie and joy of the players are a testament to the vibrant community that thrives here. Next up, we're heading over to the Etihad Campus, and no, it's not just about the roar of the crowd on match day, though that's definitely a highlight. The energy, the passion, the sheer joy of the fans. It's an experience like no other. This place is a hive of activity, a hub where the first team trains alongside the future stars of the club. Imagine sharing the same training ground as your idols, learning from the best in the business. That's the reality for young players here. They get to observe, learn, and grow in an environment that nurtures their talent. The Etihad Campus is designed to foster a sense of community, a one-club mentality where everyone is striving for the same goal. It's about unity, teamwork, and a shared vision. From the Academy players to the first-team regulars, they're all part of the Manchester City family, and that's what makes this club so special. The bond between players, coaches, and staff is palpable. The facilities here are second to none, with cutting-edge technology and world-class amenities. But it's the atmosphere, the camaraderie that truly sets it apart. It's a place where friendships are forged and dreams are realized. You can feel the history, the legacy of Manchester City in every corner of this campus, and it's a constant source of inspiration for everyone who walks through its doors. The walls echo with stories of past glories and future aspirations. Whether it's a young player taking in the electric atmosphere on match day, or a seasoned pro putting in the work on the training ground, The Etihad Campus is where it all comes together. It's a melting pot of talent, dedication, and ambition. It's a symbol of Manchester City's ambition, its commitment to excellence, and its unwavering belief in the power of football to unite and inspire. Here, football is more than just a game, it's a way of life. Now, let's talk about the Manchester City Youth Academy, the bedrock of the club's future. This is where it all begins, where raw talent is identified, nurtured, and molded into potential stars. We're talking about a comprehensive program that caters to players of all ages, from the youngest aspiring footballers to the elite youth prospects on the verge of breaking into the professional ranks. The academy isn't just about developing technical skills. It's about instilling the right values, the Manchester City way. Discipline, respect, teamwork. These are the core principles that are emphasized at every level. The coaches here are more than just trainers. They're mentors, guides, father figures, helping these young players navigate the challenges of life on and off the pitch. They understand that it takes more than just natural ability to succeed in the world of professional football. It takes character, resilience, and an unwavering work ethic. And that's what the Manchester City Youth Academy is all about, preparing these young players for the journey ahead, equipping them with the tools they need to fulfill their potential. It's a long and arduous road, but with the right guidance and support, these young talents have the opportunity to achieve their dreams right here at Manchester City. All right, we're moving on to the Elite Development Squad, or EDS as it's known, the crucial stepping stone between the Youth Academy and the first team. This is where young talents transition from promising prospects to potential stars. This is where the best of the best, the cream of the crop, come to hone their skills and prove they have what it takes to make it at the highest level. The competition is fierce, the pressure is on, but that's all part of the process. A necessary crucible that forges future champions, preparing these young players for the demands of professional football. It's about building resilience, mental toughness, and tactical awareness. The EDS competes in a variety of competitions, including the Premier League 2, the UEFA Youth League, and the EFL Trophy, providing invaluable experience against top-quality opposition. These matches are more than just games. They are lessons in handling pressure and adversity. This is where they learn to handle the pressure, to perform under the bright lights, to thrive when the stakes are high, to make the step up to the next level. It's about rising to the occasion and showing that they belong. The coaches here are relentless in their pursuit of excellence, pushing these players to their limits, demanding the very best from them day in and day out. Demanding the very best from them day in and day out. They instill a work ethic and a commitment to continuous improvement. But it's not just about winning at all costs. It's about developing a winning mentality, a mindset that embraces challenges and never backs down, a never-say-die attitude that will serve them well throughout their careers. This mentality is what separates the good from the great. The EDS is a proving ground, a launchpad for future stars, a place where dreams are nurtured and potential is realized, and the success stories speak for themselves. The journey from EDS to the first team is a testament to hard work and dedication. From Phil Foden to Jadon Sancho, the list of graduates who have gone on to achieve great things is a testament to the quality of the program here. Their success is a beacon of hope for the next generation. And finally, we can't forget about the Manchester City Women's Academy, a shining example of the club's commitment to developing talent across all levels of the game. Just like their male counterparts, these young women are given every opportunity to succeed, with access to top-class facilities, expert coaching, and a pathway to the very top. The women's game has grown exponentially in recent years, and Manchester City has been at the forefront of that growth, investing heavily in its women's team and academy. The results speak for themselves, with the first team consistently challenging for major honors and the academy producing a steady stream of talented young players. The atmosphere here is one of ambition and determination, as these young women strive to emulate their role models in the first team and make their mark on the world stage. They train with the same intensity, the same passion, and the same unwavering commitment to excellence that defines Manchester City Football Club. The future of women's football is bright, and with academies like this one leading the way, the sky's the limit for these talented young athletes. They are the next generation of stars, ready to inspire a new generation of fans and cement Manchester City's place as a global force in women's football. So, there you have it. A glimpse inside the 5 key places where Manchester City is shaping the future of football. From the state-of-the-art facilities to the world-class coaching staff, it's clear that no stone is left unturned in their pursuit of excellence. Manchester City's commitment to nurturing talent is evident at every level, from the youngest academy players to the stars of the first team. They've created a culture of success, a winning mentality that permeates throughout the entire club. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the heart of Manchester City, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing football content. And don't forget to let me know in the comments what you found most impressive about Manchester City's dedication to developing future stars. Until next time, peace out.